subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable C series phone in Indonesia called Realme C55 with mini capsule feature that appears to offer similar functionality like Apple's dynamic island feature. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The Realme C55 features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and up to 680 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M0 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C55 supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera along with a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box with Realme UI 4.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W superbook fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with color-changing technology that changes the color when exposed to sun or UV light. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, 12.5 Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 75.9 by 7.89mm, and it weighs around 189.5 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C55 has been priced in Indonesia for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,499,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,999,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in rainy night and sun shower color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C55 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.